Hello, everyone. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and I'm here to give you an insightful look at how the Internet of Things, or IoT, is revolutionizing our everyday lives and future technologies. Today, we'll be diving into how IoT is transforming sectors like traffic monitoring, healthcare, and industrial maintenance. Not only that, but we'll also tackle some of the challenges this rapid growth presents, and how technologies like fog computing come into play. So let's get started. Imagine a world where traffic flow is smooth and congestion is significantly reduced. IoT makes this possible by integrating advanced technologies, possibly even with self-driving cars, to optimize traffic conditions, especially in large cities. This means less time stuck in traffic and more time doing what you love. Next, we'll explore how IoT takes health monitoring to a whole new level. Through devices like smartwatches, real-time data such as temperature, pulse, and even the location of a patient can be monitored. This is incredibly beneficial not just for individuals in good health, but crucial for monitoring vulnerable groups like babies or elderly patients suffering from conditions like Alzheimer's. The ability to have continuous health monitoring can revolutionize responses to medical conditions and overall patient care. Now let's discuss how IoT is leveraged for predictive maintenance in industries. Unplanned equipment breakdowns can cost industries a fortune due to halted production lines. IoT offers a solution. By using data from IoT sensors and analyzing it with artificial intelligence, it's possible to predict when machinery will require maintenance before it breaks down. This predictive approach can save a significant amount of money and reduce downtime in production processes. However, the rapid growth of IoT also presents challenges. By the year 2020, it's estimated that there will be 50 billion devices connected to the internet. This explosion of devices will generate massive amounts of data, or big data, which will require advanced solutions to manage effectively. This is where fog computing comes into play. Unlike traditional cloud computing, fog computing allows for preliminary data analysis at the network level, adding a layer of intelligence to the devices that manage our internet traffic. In conclusion, while IoT's potential to enhance home automation and other aspects of our lives is clear, the real excitement lies in how it integrates with technologies like fog computing to handle vast amounts of data efficiently. The future of IoT is bright, and it's set to revolutionize the way we interact with technology on a daily basis. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored how IoT is transforming traffic monitoring, healthcare, and industrial maintenance, and how technologies like fog computing are helping manage the big data challenge. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep innovating.